Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace our this right here. This is our runner model. So it's open the runner and close the runner, depends on the idle in the engine speed of the car. So this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. This is the part number. So it's the VCM motor that's down, they call it. So even though they call it this, other people call it the runner motor, but that's the part number right there. You can't go wrong with that. This is what the part look like, and let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lift this up. This just pull up. I'm gonna take this out. This you don't really have to take out, but it's good to know, to see where you're working and things like that. And then I'm gonna remove the intake tube right here. So we're gonna have this Phillips screw right here, our 10mm, it looked like. So since I have the Phillips screwdriver right here, just gonna use that. Same thing for this one right here. Phillips screwdriver, our 10mm. We have a wire clip right there. I'm gonna spray some of this on it. That's just to get the hose to slip. And to remove the clip, this is what we're gonna use. Take it off right there. Hold this. Alright, you see? So that helped with that. I'm gonna leave this right here so you guys can get a closer view. Alright, so be careful, do not break this. Alright, so once that's done, I'm gonna remove it from the intake. So now we have a lot of room to work. As you can see, we're gonna change is right here. So guys, it's gonna be 8mm to remove this small bolt that holding these two holes right here, and the compressor come on because it doesn't want me to be great, but we going through. So we take that off. Now we can move the hoses. We can even lift this piece up. So guys, what you want to do now, just keep this out of the way, get down in here and pry this, pry it just like that, because what that's gonna do is allow this little arm right here turn more, and also get a flathead screwdriver, push it between the arm and that white piece, kind of twist it. Yeah, so when you remove that metal piece, it allows the to come out a little bit and turn more, so you can take this off. And now we need to remove these 3 10mm, the one right here. I already loosened all the bolts already, so it's 10mm. And we have another one down here, so it's gonna be 3 in total. And once we take out all these 3, we gonna need to unplug it. Alright, so that's good. We're gonna squeeze this right here, pull back on it, unplug that. pull it out of this little hole, bring it up, and kind of push the bottom part to clear. So you can see that little ball thing right here. Down there, that little ball thing, we need that's what this hook in, so that's why we pry it out. And now you're going to need to remove this. You're going to need to remove this clip. So what we can do, we can bring it forward like this, where we can have access to the, bring it forward like this where we can have access to the clip, and try to pry the clip off. And guys, you don't want to lose this clip, okay? So make sure you pry it somewhere where. All right, so now return to the gap right here. So what I'm gonna do is pull the clip in the box so I don't lose it. Alright. Then we can remove the arm. Remove the arm just like that. And then we want to get the new motor and put the arm on the same way you take it off. And then you can put the clip, because it's going to go on like this. So now it's time to just put the clip back on. And don't lose the clip. That clip is very important. Even though I'm telling you don't lose the clip, it's very important, but it's kind of risky where I'm doing it, because if it's dropped I won't be able to find it. But yeah, you can just tap it on. I had another video of an older Sonata. It's basically the same thing, but I didn't catch this piece that when I installed this, I didn't catch it on camera. So now I do. Now you guys can see. And it's a common problem for the Sonata, guys. Alright. Look good. Time to install it. Alright guys, so let's put it in. We're gonna go ahead, line up the little clip thing. So guys, I end up using this. I end up using this to clip it right here, to clip it together. So since that's done, the next thing we're gonna have to do now is to put this piece in. So you just want to put it in, hold it firm and turn it. You want to hold it firm and turn it so you can line up the screws. Alright, so I got 2 out of 3. And these, you don't have to over tighten them, just snug them up. A little bit past snug. It'll be alright.
check your computer?
It's not.
It says something about exit or something.
Where?
Huh?
On the
scanner.
how much is it? Alright, so we just gotta think about this. And also you can double check your work, make sure everything is all nicely done. So guys, we're almost done. We just need to erase the code. But I'm waiting on the shop computer to be upgraded. So guys, I'm still updating the computer. So I'm gonna try. I have a smaller scanner but it's really old, so I'm gonna try that and see if that works to erase the code. Turn the ignition on. Oh wow, actually read it. So I guess I'm gonna Google the code to see what they mean, because maybe the code is not in the Snap-on what do you call it, database. So that's why I give a P2600, but on here it's giving a different code, so I'm gonna try that and see. So guys, the code is gone, so that's good. So now we're gonna go for a test drive. So guys, erase the code, and now we can floor it. So yeah guys, we couldn't do that none at all before, and now it's running good. So that's it for this video guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time. So guys, this is the code it gave with this computer. With the other computer it gave P2600. So when I always get that code, I always say in the car, even if you check my other video, I have another video for older Sonata, and it have the P2600, and I was like, this car asking for a auxiliary water pump, and this car doesn't carry that, so I wonder why it's asking for that. So now that I put this scanner on it, it gives me this code, and this code is for a knock sensor. And so I've been reading up on it, doing some research and reading company forums and stuff, and then on the forums they say they're going back and forth with the dealer can't fix the problem, the dealer don't know. So I guess they're having this code and not knowing how to fix the problem from the other code that the Snap-on computer gave. It's crazy. I don't know how to explain it, but now that I'm seeing it, I'm like, what the heck is going on? If I had to get this code, I couldn't fix the car, but then I get a different code, and then I always change that part on all the cars, and the cars never come back. So I don't know what's going on there. I don't know what to say guys, but that's just me giving you an update. See, I changed that. Have no check engine light. I can rev the car out and everything. I can even go drive the car. Door. So guys, I can drive the car, accelerate, the car doesn't pull back or anything. It's like, I don't know what to tell you guys. This is puzzling to me. See, RPM go all the way up. The engine doesn't knock. It doesn't give a knock code. See guys, it's revving out, it's doing what it's supposed to do, but I fixed these because it's a lot. They happen a lot on these cars. It's a common problem on these cars, guys. It's a very, very common problem on these Sonatas. I fix them all the time, and that's the part I changed that you see me change earlier in the video. That's the part I changed. I never changed the knock sensor. So now I'm reading the form, and the form saying, oh, they changed the knock sensor, they changed the harness, they upgrade the computer, they upgrade the software for the car, and it still gives the same problem. And me over here getting a different code with a snap-on computer and fixing that problem. So I don't know, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Also comment in the comment section so I can know what you guys think about it. Hyundai can't seem to find the problem based on what I'm reading, but what I was reading was a year ago. It said the last update said it was a year ago. But let me know. I'm gonna go underneath the comment section on my older video that I did this on, and we'll go from there too and see. Well, peace out.